Hello, today we are going to create Old MacDonald's farm. Let's see which animal is the first animal on the farm today. It's a sheep. Sheep. Can you say that after me? Sheep. Sheep. Well done, let's put the sheep on the farm. Let's see which animal's next. It is a cow. Cow. Can you say that after me? Cow. Cow. Let's put the cow on the farm. Let's see which animal's next. It's a hen. Can you say that after me? Hen. Whoops. Oh dear, poor hen. Let's see which animal is next. It's a goat. Goat. Can you say that after me? Goat. Goat. Let's put the goat on the farm. Let's see which animal's next. It's a pig. Pig. Can you say that after me? Pig. Pig. Let's put the pig on the farm. And the last animal is a horse. Horse. Can you say that after me? Horse. Horse. Let's put the horse on the farm. Now we're going to sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. When I stop singing, you are going to say the name of the animal which you think I'm singing about. You can join in with the song as well. Then I will say the sounds in the animal's name and you've got to work out which animal it is. But it will be one of the animals that you can see in front of you, so that should help you. So ready to join in with the singing? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow. Well done, it was the cow. Cow. E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's see which animal we're going to sing about next. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a goat. It was the goat. Goat. E-I-E-I-O, with a bleat bleat here and a bleat bleat there, here a bleat, there a bleat, everywhere a bleat bleat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's see which animal's going to be next. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig. It was the pig. Pig. E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Which animal's going to be next? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O, with a peck peck here and a peck peck there, here a peck, there a peck, everywhere a peck peck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Which animal will be next? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep. Sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a bar here and a bar there, here a bar, there a bar, everywhere a bar. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This is the last one. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a horse. Horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I think the horse wants a bit of a sleep now. Let's lie him down. Now we're going to have a little bit of a challenge, if you like a challenge. So this time we're going to sing the song, and if you are with somebody, you're going to have a go at doing the sounds for an animal, and then the person who's with you has got to put those sounds together to work out the animal. So if you said sheep, the person with you needs to put those sounds together and say sheep. So you decide which animal you're going to sing about, and when I go quiet, you've got to say the sounds in that animal's name. Off we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a... Say the sounds in the animal's name. E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So you can have a go at singing that song yourself and maybe making your own farm. If you've got a set of animals, you could use those, or you could have a go at drawing some animals to be on your pretend farm. I've put a list of animals, which are good ones to use, on my website. So that's something that your grown-up might be able to have a look at and help you to decide which animals you're going to use for your song. Enjoy.